now the scenario is you are applying to companies and you are getting rejected. So why? This must be a one reason. So you have a resume and you have might have given your efforts to make it 100% good, but still it may be the cause which is stopping you to get an interview in your company, whatever company you are applying for. Hi, I am Lokesh Jha, and in this video we will be digging in resume. Now resume is the one thing that you are using to apply to company, and this is the interface which company looks and takes a. So in this video we will be going through this resume, and in very short we will know how we can make our resume which is ATS friendly and also human friendly. We will know what a resume should show. And okay, now we need to see what a resume is. The first thing what you need to show here, if you are a fresher, so if you are a fresher, if you are a experienced professional, there are two cases. And here in fresher you do not have experience. In experience you might be there might be scenario that now you are 1 year or 2 year of experience or more, but you don't know how to showcase your projects and how to showcase your experience. You wanted to show that any company should see the resume and you got shortlisted for that. And here is the scenario that you do not have experience and still company is expecting you to deliver a very nice resume with some kind of attractive thing. So you think that, okay, I do not have experience. You might be going through several resume template and you are saying that, okay, they wanted experience, but I do not have. So what should I put? So this is the scenario here. Now we will mainly focus here for the freshers first, that how the resume should be built. So let's suppose there is two scenario. First is you have a resume, and the second scenario is you even do not have a like any raw resume. Whenever someone starts to build a resume, he might go for Word document or something like uh, Canva or anything. So what I prefer that, okay, at least if you have a resume, if you do not, just make it, add your personal info with your name. Okay, I will list those things. You can do a screenshot of that. So these things are the crucial thing that you need to mention in your resume: name, phone number, email, LinkedIn, and if you want, then you can also add your GitHub profile if that have some of your contributions. I suggest that you should do some contribution in your GitHub, and you can highlight that also. Now comes the project. So you need to build projects, at least 2 to 3 projects, and it should not be a simple any like easy projects. You can make something for AI. So currently everything you can see is revolving around AI, and you can just do a AI integration and you can do like build something, or you can do a e-commerce, but it should be fully functional. So these things you can mention and you can add bullet points, something like this is project, then one bullet point, then again these things. Then you will have a proper explanation of what you did, what this project is, and it will give an idea to the uh, interviewer that, okay, what you have built and why they should be interviewing you. Then you can mention your college details, school details. Also you can add your score if it is good. If not, let's suppose, so let's suppose your score is not that good, and so it is better not to mention, so that you do not have any red spot for that. Now there is achievements. If you have achievements related to this, then you can mention that. And hobby also you can here mention, but do not mention something like you like dancing or anything. If there is something hobby which is related to this, then you can mention that. Otherwise just don't add a hobby. Now we will look into how we should build a resume. So resume needs to be in LaTeX format. Now how this will be built? So you have your resume, normal resume, built by anything, Word or anything, any resource you have. Now it should be in PDF or Word, not in image. Okay. Now you have this format. We will go to Overleaf. So you can see this is overleaf.com. I will share the link in the comment. So here there are there are templates of CVs and resumes. So we will take a correct resume format which works in India. So you will see there are resumes with images also. I prefer this one. I have a knowledge of how these resume are shortlisted and how much time interviewer gives to a resume. So that's why I am saying that keep your resume very clean, and it should show very nicely what you have done, and it should be in one page. So this is the very good resume template. You can just open as template overleaf.com, and we have taken a template. So what is the benefit of that? Now we have the template. So we have this LaTeX format code here, and we have the compiled version here. We can just easily download this from here, download PDF. So now we have this LaTeX format. We have our own resume in PDF or Word. Now what we need ChatGPT. So you have given your efforts once in building your resume. Now you can just share this template code with resume and your old resume, and ask ChatGPT to build your resume in templates form in LaTeX code only. So let's see how we can do that. So we can come here, then we can take hold this thing. So we can do paste, as it will be pasted here. Then we will add our own resume here, and we will paste a prompt. I will save this prompt also. So it will list all the questions what he got and what he wants to ask and all those things. If you want to add anything, that okay, uh, I want to add this thing and those, so you can just do that. Else, so it will generate the LaTeX code. You just need to copy paste this. So this is the resume that I got. Currently this is in 2 pages. The scenario is currently I have too many experience, so I will I will ask him to make a experience, removing the experience and making as a fresher's resume just for the demo purpose. Okay, now we have the resume, and let's compile it. Okay, so this is the resume we got. We have our summary, and it showcase in very like 3 points only. It showcase what I want and how I can contribute those things. And we have projects which list this, and we have freelancing option. If anybody has done internship, they can mention this. If they have done freelancing, then they can mention that. Whatever contribution they have made, they can mention it, and it will be counted. So that will be listed as a plus point for you. So this is the resume, how we generate in. So let's discuss again. Okay, so now let's discuss. First thing is resume should be in one page. Yes, after you are like having experience of 4 year plus or something, then you can go for 2 pages. If it is required, then only. Now your resume should be in one page. The other thing is it should highlight. So the thing is it should highlight what you want to show. If you want to show that okay you have contributed here, then it should show that. So the now the thing is here what an interviewer will look that okay your name is this, your phone number and all those things, summary is this, then project. So this is bold, it will be visible there that okay you have worked on this Mintix. Then if you go for that okay you have built this, so you have AI knowledge, then you have done some freelancing work, so these things will be highlighted. Now the interviewer do not have like hours to look into like few resume. They need to just go through many resumes and it should be shortlisting process. Now for the ATS it is very friendly, like ATS friendly also, and you can go through any online ATS checker. You might see some fluctuations, but the thing is, those ATS are free, so they will show that okay, this score is low or something, but still they will give some few points for free. You can take those points and again feed to ChatGPT, and it will make your resume stronger. Now the suggestion is show good things which really value something. If you have made some expense tracker app, it is not the time to show expense tracker app in your resume. In my time I've shown that okay I build expense tracker app, but currently it should be a better project to be delivered. So this is the honest thing. And for experience, the only thing changes is you can add a experience block, and you can list in the same way how we have given the project that okay 3 bullet points or 4 bullet points, and you can describe anything. You can also do bold things that okay I want to show Solana as bold or the PDF and these things as bold, so you can show that. So just show those bold, like you can just bold those things which are important. If interviewer looks at those bold points, they will have good picture of yours, then yes, bold those points. So yeah, if you have any doubts, or if you have if you want to my review on your resume, so you can just comment below and just upload your resume to Google Drive or anywhere, and you can share that link. I will review that and I will give you suggestion that what you can do. You can add anything, all those points. So yes, thank you. If you have any other topics to discuss, let's comment below. I will figure that out.